Alright, let's talk about what shifting means and its implications in number systems. So, if we have a decimal number, let's say we have 971. If we shift this to the right, that basically means that we're taking these two numbers here and shifting them down, and whatever's on the rightmost side just falls off. So that means that this is now the 0th position. This 9 is now the first position. So essentially, we have just divided this number by 10. If we took 971 and divided by 10, we would get 97, remembering that this is integer division. So when we shift in decimal to the right, we divide by 10. Now what happens if we shift to the left? Now if we shift to the left, that means that all the column weights go up, and we add a 0 on the rightmost column. So the implication in decimal when we shift to the left is multiply by 10. Now let's see what happens in binary. I think you might be able to guess what's going to happen. So if we have 1, 0, 1, let's quickly convert this to decimal. So this is the 1's position, 2's position, 4's position. So this number is 5. 1 plus 0 plus 4 is 5. So I'll just make a little note of that up here. This equals 5. So if we shift this to the right, that means these two numbers shift down, and this rightmost number falls off. So now we are left with 1, 0, which, as you can see, is just 2. So the implication, as you've probably guessed, of shifting in binary to the right is to divide by 2, because 5 divided by 2 equals 2. Now let's back up and see what happens if we left shift in binary. If we left shift, again, all the column weights move up 1, and we add a 0 to our rightmost bit. So what has just happened? If we convert this, now we have 0 1s, we have a single 2, 0 4s, and a single 8. 8 plus 2 equals 10. So the implication of shifting left in binary is to multiply by 2. So let's just review. For binary, if we shift to the right, that means divide by 2. If we shift to the left, that means we multiply by 2. And there you have it. That's shifting in a nutshell.